This bold and timeless Georgian-style brick home is city living nestled on 1.97 acres of rolling wooded grounds that enhance privacy. With 3 bedrooms, office, 4-car garage plus a workshop, this beautiful home offers comfortable one-level living. Long windows across the front of the house bring in lots of natural light. The living room with its soaring cathedral ceiling, floor-to-ceiling wood-burning masonry fireplace, built-in shelves and cabinets has warmth and style with its classic stained oak library paneling. Entertain in the lovely dining room just off the foyer with easy service access from the efficient galley-style kitchen. Have lunch with friends or savor a cup of coffee in the breakfast room featuring built-in corner cabinets and unique octagonal tray ceiling while keeping an eye on the family room, kitchen, and the back door. The generously sized primary bedroom offers a peaceful getaway with a private bath with a long double sink vanity, 5-foot shower and walk-in closet. And there are 2 accommodating guest rooms plus an office space. Accessible from the living room and garage is an enclosed porch with brick paver flooring with a clear glass sliding door and flanking windows that overlook the backyard. So, relax and enjoy those backyard birds and other wildlife scampering around. Need a place to store that RV? You've got it in the 3-bay detached garage equipped with a propane gas heater and a workshop too. And there is a 2-car attached side-load garage as well with an extra 22-foot 4-inch by 5-foot room loaded with built-in shelves. While this home is move-in ready as is, your personal cosmetic updates in the kitchen and baths will just enhance this home even more. Built by Grover Parks for himself, this one-owner home with all its amenities is a rare find listed at $415,000. Act fast and call us to take a look now.